Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a dear pasta. And let's get straight into it. It's titled, My Man is Determined to Get Me Pregnant. Dear Pastor, please accept greetings for yourself and your staff. I read your column every chance I get, and I find it very helpful. I'm 25 years old and I have a boyfriend. He treats me very well, but he doesn't want me to go anywhere without him. If I am going to visit my parents, he wants to come with me. My younger sister gave birth and I wanted to go and visit her. He insisted that he wanted to come. I told him that he could come, but he would have to stay outside because my sister and I had to talk about private business. What kind of private business so you and your sister have to talk about? But anyways, he said that if he was my boyfriend, nothing should be private between my sister and me that he could not hear, and I agree 100%. An argument developed over that, so I decided that I would stay home. I got pregnant, but I lost the baby. This is a reoccurring theme with Jamaican women having multiple miscarriages. People told him that I threw away the belly. At first, he didn't believe what people were saying, but he has been trying since that time to get me pregnant again, and he has not been able to do so. Since that time, we have not been having any peace because he has been saying that maybe I had a backdoor abortion, and that is the reason why I'm not getting pregnant again. Whenever we are having sex, he put me in all different types of positions because people have told him that these positions could help get me pregnant. What is your suggestion? My suggestion is, if you're not ready to have a child, do not have a child, okay? Do not have a child that you do not want or you're not ready for because your partner wants to have a child. It's not a good look. The next thing is, why does your boyfriend want to go everywhere with you? Did you give him a reason to trust you, and that's why he wants to go everywhere with you, or is he just like that? That's another thing. And they're saying that you dash with the belly. If that, like, that is something when women do abortions or whatever like that, they have a tendency of having a very hard time getting pregnant later on. It's great to have the option of abortion, but when you actually proceed to do it, it makes it very, very difficult to get pregnant when you want to get pregnant. And this is a recurring theme that I keep seeing happening in our culture. Women either are unable to get pregnant or have lots of miscarriages, and those two things are correlated with them having abortions. So be very, very careful about what you're doing now that is going to affect your future. Enough time when they walk out in a hole from young, and when you get to a certain age and you actually want to have children, it can't happen. So be very, very careful now, because what you do now may affect your future plans and what you have. Because a lot of the times, some of these women whore out themselves when they're young, and then when they get older, they want to settle down and have pitney and do all this other stuff, and it don't work because they already whore out and dash how much belly. So it's hard for you to get pregnant. And I've seen this same thing on social media. People, woman crying, woman begging and pleading because they can't have a child, and that's directly because of what you did in the past with abortions, how you treated your body with past partners, or how you treat yourself, whether you eat, how you eat, you're overweight, you have fibroids. Like, the list goes on. Take care of yourself, take care of your body, because what you do now is going to affect you. If it don't affect you now, it's going to affect you later. And as for her is concerned, if she don't want to have one pitney, don't have one pitney. That is supposed to be a choice that both of you guys make. It does not happen when only one is ready and the other is not. It's not good. Comment what your thoughts are. What would be her suggestion? She claims that he's clingy. He wants to go everywhere with her, and he don't trust her, and he also wants to get her pregnant, but she is not ready. From what I'm getting from this article, I'm assuming she's not ready. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.